All right, welcome to Pre-War, Post-War, and More. We've got another unboxing for you, and we got some Lionel boxes in here. That's always nice to see some original Lionel trains. Number 145 automatic gateman. That's a nice box right there. And we've got a bunch of wrapped trains in here. We'll get everything out, and we'll be right back. All right, let's get this opened up here. We have a number 149 coaling station, the original box. This is a favorite accessory that Lionel made during the post-war period. Whoa, it's all full of stuff. Got the roof. Take it out. Get all the peanuts out of there. And I have the controller with it. Let's see. Here's the roof. Let's see if the controller is in here. No controller, but it might be somewhere else in the box. Let's keep an eye out for that. All right. Well, we got another box, but we'll wait on that one. Let's go ahead and open some trains and see what we got in here. From New York Electric Trains. They do a great job with all that butcher paper. And you got a tank car right there. It's a really nice Sunoco. Dogs causing havoc. Alright, let's see what we got here. Might be another Sunoco tank car. Alright, let's see here. Oh no, we got a log car. Another good log car. Alright, next up, let's see what we got here. Here. We've got a coal dump car and a coal chute. What else is in here? Oh, and a bag of coal. That is a nice, I love that wrap up there. Look at that. The original little bag of coal for the coal dump car. Nice. Alright, let's keep going here. Alright, let's see what we got going next here. One of these have to have a Subway sandwich in there. Or some cold cuts. Oh, we got a 6357 caboose. Oh, I remember. This is going to have a caboose that I've been looking at for a little bit. I got 6257, 6057, 6457. I think this is another caboose, but a caboose number I've never had before. Let's see if that's correct. Nope, another tank car. Alright. Thought I was getting another caboose, but there's another Sunoco tank car. This one's a little bit more rougher shape. But it's kind of interesting. It's missing the black there. You see the Sunoco in black and the Sunoco just without the black, which is, I've never seen that before. I'll have to take a look at that. Alright, and one more thing to open. Alright. See if this will just slide off here. Actually, we don't need it to slide off, but well, I guess we do, yeah. I'll have the side open. Okay. we go. Oh, actually, this way. Oh, the box is. Looks like the box is cut, split right there. That's unfortunate. But you can always tape it. Gotta be careful how you tape it. It looks like this has been in this box for a long time, and it's just actually rusted. The rust marks match the marks on the bottom of this. The bottom of this box is kind of interesting. Right there. See the rust marks there. There's been some water damage, and if you look on the bottom here, you can see those two rust marks from the flap there. So, all right, so this is our haul here. Box 497 coal loader, box 145 Gateman, 2 Sunoco tank cars, flat car with logs, a coal dump car. I love that it came with the coal, and I love that it's tied with a shoelace. And 6357. So thanks for tuning into this unboxing. We'll see you next time.